These are a few terms you may be familiar with if you've ever used Arweave to store your data. Transactions, blocks, stats, nodes, tokens. These 5 words have one thing in common. You can get info about all of them on VIEWBLOCK, one of Arweave's block explorers. Let's say you use Rdrive to upload a public file and your transaction status is orange. Does this mean that the file wasn't saved to Arweave? When in doubt, you can always use viewblock.io to confirm that your transaction has gone through. Okay, so the best way to check this is to look up your wallet ID on viewblock.io. You can find your wallet ID by copying your wallet address from Rdrive like this. So if you're looking at your transactions, the green lines mean a transfer of AR, while the orange and purple stacks represent files sent. The orange ones are single files, and the purple ones are bundles.
VIEWBLOCK relies on the gateway, which sometimes hasn't seeded the data of the bundle yet, so they can fail to unbundle it because of that. However, VIEWBLOCK does the downloading and unbundling themselves, so it's not strictly speaking only the gateway doing the unbundling. Although it does for most people, relying solely on the gateway GraphQL endpoint, which VIEWBLOCK does not use.
There is a lot of other info VIEWBLOCK can show you as well, including the total amount of data stored daily, weekly, and monthly and all time on Arweave, how many nodes are operating, and details about your transactions. These details include the arweave.net link and the cost to store the data. Woo!
Your bundled data is secure on the Weave once there have been 18 confirmations,
which are listed on VIEWBLOCK. Your file data will change to a green state once it's unbundled at the gateway, which you can also see on VIEWBLOCK. Fun fact, did you know that files and bundles can also have token transfers in them? This can be seen in the tips sent via Rdrive. So, while Rdrive is governed as a DAO, we would like to offer some wisdom from the DAO as well. By tapping into the principle of patience, viewblock.io can assure us that our files are there, safe and permanent. Know before you stow. And use viewblock.io.